Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to convert any HTML page or any web page into WordPress Gutenberg blocks. We will be using the WordPress default block editor. We will use a Chrome extension called HTML to WordPress. You can search it on Chrome Web Store or check the link in the description below. And I have installed the extension before. We also need to install a WordPress plugin called Advanced Add-ons. This plugin provides custom CSS for block editor that needed for the limitation of styling the block editor. You can also install this plugin from WordPress dashboard by typing Advanced Add-ons. I have installed the plugin, and the plugin link will be available in the description below. Okay, now let's start it. I will be using this section as an example. Open the extension from right top corner. The extension menu will be available on the bottom right corner. We have two modes, capture a specific element or capture whole page. First, let's capture a specific element. We can select a specific element we want by hovering, then clicking it. The extension will capture on desktop, tablet, and mobile modes. And the data is copied to clipboard and can be pasted on WordPress editor. Just right-click and select paste, like this, or just Command-V or Control-V. Now, let's try capture a whole page. Select mode, capture all content within the page, and the Click Capture Page button. Wait until finished, and like before, just paste the data on WordPress block editor. Of course, the blocks are editable. Let's make it full width. The generated blocks are default block editor like group block, flex block, grid block, heading block, paragraph block, and so on. Unsupported block will be generated using custom HTML block. Okay, now this is other example. This is an HTML generated using AI. You need to copy the generated HTML and save it as a single HTML file, then open it. I'm opening this file locally from my computer. For this local file, we need to give the extension permission. Go to Manage Extension, and then on the extension details, enable Allow access to local file URLs. Back to our local HTML file, reload it after changing the extension permissions. And like before, we can open the extension and capture the page. This time, we will capture all content within the page. Now back to WordPress editor, let's delete previous content one by one. And paste the new content we capture. Let's make it full width. And this time, let's save it and preview it on the front end. This is how it looks on the front end. Let's check the responsiveness using Inspect tool. It works well for this example. You may need to manually edit the responsiveness for more complex page. Okay, this is our video today. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.